In this video, I'm going to show you how to use XLOOKUP within the same workbook or Excel file and how to use it across workbooks or Excel files. Okay, let's start with within the same workbook. Okay, so the syntax of XLOOKUP is this. So equals sign, XLOOKUP, around parenthesis, right? And the lookup value, comma, space, lookup array or range, comma, space, return array or range. And you can just close the parentheses here because these are the only required arguments. And if not found, match mode, search mode are all optionals. And this is here is a example of the syntax, including all the arguments that are required. So this is the lookup value, lookup array, return array. Okay, so I have a file here. Let me just open the file. And I have type of devices in column A. And in October, I have the number of devices in column B. And let's say I want to, or I'm tracking the number of devices per month. And in November, I have different numbers of devices. So now I need to basically move this numbers in column C. So in this case, we can use XLOOKUP. So how do we do it? So we do it by typing XLOOKUP. So our lookup value is access points. So comma, and actually you don't have to type space. So comma, and then lookup array. So lookup array is this. And then we need to lock the range. So I'm going to press F4, comma, and return array, which is this. F4 again, and then we can now close the parentheses. So again, we're trying to look up the new number of access points in this case for November, which is in this case, it has become 768 from 757. So if we check access point here, the number of access point, yeah, it is now 768. Now we can actually drag this all the way down, and we should get the correct number for the month of November. So that's how you can use XLOOKUP within the same workbook or Excel file. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can use XLOOKUP across workbooks or Excel files. So I have this first file, looking at the file name, XLOOKUP first file. And then I have another file called XLOOKUP second file. So I need to do the same exercise. And by the way, I have all these steps here, and this is what I just did. So I just followed these steps. And now we're going to follow this step-by-step guide. Okay, so same. So first is I need to type equals, and then XLOOKUP, and then the lookup value, which is in this case access point, and then comma, and then lookup array. I need to move to the other sheet, which is this file. So I need to just select the range, the lookup range, and then comma, and I need to select the return range or array. And then in this case, let me just add the if not found note. So I'm going to say not found, and then enter. And as you can see here, if you notice, we didn't have to press F4 because the range is already locked. Okay, looking at this part here, both for the lookup range and return range. But for the sake of, or actually, let me just do it again. So lookup value, that, and then lookup array, is second file. So I need to switch to the second file, select the lookup array or range, and then select the return array. And then I'm going to say not found, just in case a lookup value is not present in the lookup array. I'm going to hit enter now. So again, the range is already locked for both lookup and return array. Okay, so let me go ahead and just drag the formula down all the way to the last item. So if you double check, this should be correct. So let's say Meraki switches for November, it is 4,575. Yeah, that's correct. And how about firewalls? Firewalls, it has become 24. Yeah, correct. Okay, so let me just go back to the steps here. And I have another, I have a note here that says we can use the trim function to remove leading and trailing spaces to ensure accurate results. So if you are not sure that there is spaces from the lookup value and in the lookup array, you can use the trim function to basically remove the leading and trailing spaces from both lookup and return array. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.